गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट्स. चंद्रकांत रोडगे मॅथ क्लास या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये तुम्हा सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण चॅप्टर नंबर 3 सर्कल प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.2 याचा आपण अभ्यास करणार आहोत. हे व्यवस्थित समजून घेण्यासाठी तुम्ही माझ्या चंद्रकांत रोडगे मॅथ क्लास या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि ज्यांनी सबस्क्राईब केलेले आहेत त्यांचे धन्यवाद. जर व्हिडिओ आवडले असतील तर लाईक करा आणि जर काही प्रश्न असतील, तुमच्या अडचणी असतील तर कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट करून तुम्ही ते प्रश्न विचारू शकतात. हिअर रिमेंबर these points are: number 1, the point of contact of the touching circles lies on the line joining their centers. And number 2, if the circles touch each other externally, then the distance between their centers is equal to the sum of their radii. And third point, the distance between the centers of the circles touching internally is equal to the difference between their radii. These 3 points are remember. हे व्यवस्थित लक्षात ठेवा. यावर आपल्याला क्वेश्चन्स विचारले जातात. Now the practice set 3.2. First problem. Two circles having radii 3.5 cm and 4.8 cm touch each other internally. Then find the distance between their centers. Let the radii of two circles are R1 and R2. दोन्ही सर्कल्सच्या रेडियस आपण R1 and R2 कन्सिडर केलेले आहेत. R1 is equal to 4.8 cm and R2 is equal to 3.5 cm. These two circles are touching internally. These two circles are touching internally. Therefore, the distance between the centers of the circles touching internally is equal to the difference of their radii. Therefore, the distance between centers of circle touching internally the difference between their radii is equal to R1 minus R2. जे आपण मोठं घेतलेलं आहे ते मोठ्यातून लहान सबट्रॅक्ट करायचं. हे लक्षात ठेवायचं. सबट्रॅक्शन करताना मोठ्या रेडियसमधून स्मॉल रेडियस सबट्रॅक्ट करायचा. R1 minus R2 is equal to 4.8 minus 3.5. If is equal to 4.8 minus 3.5, 8 minus 5, 3. 0.4 minus 3, 1. 1.3 centimeter. The distance between their centers is 1.3 centimeter. Therefore the distance between their centers is 1.3 centimeters. जर आपल्याला अशा प्रकारचा प्रॉब्लेम हा 1 किंवा 2 मार्काला येऊ शकतो. जर दिलेले सर्कल्स, if given circles are touching internally or externally, then the distance between their centers, if both the circles are touching internally, then the distance between their circles are the difference of their radii, and these two circles are touching externally, therefore the distance between their centers is sum of their radii. या प्रकारचा प्रॉब्लेम शक्यतो परीक्षेत येत असतो. 3. Now the second problem, two circles of radii 5.3 cm and 4.2 cm touch each other externally. Find the distance between their centers. These two circles are touching externally, then the distance between their centers is equal to the sum of their radii. And here, let the radii of the two circles are R1 and R2. Here is also consider, let the radii of two circles are R1 and R2. Therefore R1 is equal to 5.5 cm, R2 is equal to 4.2 cm. And these two circles are touching externally. Therefore the distance between their centers of circles touching externally is equal to the sum of their radii. Therefore the distance between their radii is equal to R1 plus R2. एक्सटर्नली टचिंग असतील तर R1 प्लस R2, इंटरनली टचिंग असतील तर R1 मायनस R2. Here 5.5 plus 4.2, 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 4 9, 9.7 centimeter. Therefore the distance between their centers is 9.7 centimeter. Now the third problem, if radii of two circles are 4 cm and 2.8 centimeters, draw figure of these circles touching each other externally and internally. Here given radii of two circles, one circle 4 cm and other circle radius is 2.8 cm, and draw these two circles touching each other externally and internally. कंपास मध्ये काय करायचं आपल्याला, 4 cm रेडियस घ्या कंपास मध्ये आणि एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करा, आणि नंतर त्याच कंपास मध्ये 2.8 cm रेडियस घ्या आणि ड्रॉ द सेकंड सर्कल टचिंग ईच अदर एक्सटर्नली and join these OP. Center, first circle give center O and other circle center P, आणि हे join करा and join segment OP. And now circles touch each other internally, then take the radius 4 cm in compass and draw a circle with center O, and then take radius 2.8 cm and draw the other circle touching each other internally at point A, like this. Fourth question, in the figure the circles with centers P and Q touch each other at point R. A line passing through point R meets the circle A and B respectively. Then prove that. Number 1, segment AP parallel segment BQ. Number 2, triangle APR congruent triangle RQB. And number 3, find angle RQB if angle PR is equal to 35 degree. इथं आपल्याला हे दोन ट्रायंगल दिलेले आहेत, सर्कल विथ सेंटर पी अँड सेंटर क्यू. हे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल एकमेकाला एक्सटर्नली पॉईंट आर मध्ये टच होतात. इथं फर्स्ट प्रूव्ह आहे आपलं AP पॅरलल BQ प्रूव्ह करायचं आपल्याला. AP पॅरलल BQ. तर ह्यासाठी काय करता येईल आपल्याला पहा. A circle with center P, AP is equal to PR. AP is equal to PR because radii of same circle. Therefore, angle PAR congruent angle PRA. हे इक्वेशन 1 द्यायचं. नंतर इन दिस सर्कल, इन दिस ट्रायंगल QRB, QR congruent QB. Radii of same circle. Therefore, here is also angle QRB congruent angle QBR. And these two angles are congruent angle because vertically opposite angles. PRA congruent angle QRB. मग फ्रॉम 1 to 3 आपल्याला हे दोन अँगल प्रूव्ह करता येतील. PAR congruent angle QBR. But these two angles are alternate angles. Therefore, by alternate angle test, AP parallel QB. या पद्धतीने आपल्याला फर्स्ट प्रूव्ह करता येईल. Now, point P, R, Q are the collinear point. Reason theorem of touching circles. Here P, R, Q because theorem of touching circle. आता in triangle PAR, PA congruent PR, segment PA congruent segment PR, radii of same circle. मग ह्या दोन साइड्स जर कॉन्ग्रंट असतील त्याचे अपोजिट अँगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रंट. देअरफॉर अँगल PAR congruent angle PRA. This is equation 1. Reason opposite angles of congruent side. Opposite angles of congruent side. Then similarly in triangle RQB, in triangle RQB, segment QR congruent segment QB, radii of same circle. Therefore, याचे अपोजिट अँगल्स, अँगल QRB congruent angle QBR. Angle QBR congruent angle QRB, equation number 2. Reason opposite angles of congruent side. Congruent side. This is equation 2. But angle PRA congruent angle QRB, opposite angles. But angle PRA congruent angle QRB. Equation number 3. Reason opposite angle. आता फ्रॉम 1 to 3 चेक करा बघा. फ्रॉम 1 to 3 1चा अँगल PRA and angle QRB are congruent from 3. PRA congruent QRB. Therefore, right hand side of equation 1 and 2 are congruent. Therefore, left hand side are congruent. Therefore, angle PAR congruent angle QBR. From 1, 2 and 3. From 1, 2 and 3. आता that is angle PAR means angle PAB. Angle PAB congruent angle QBR means QBA. Angle QBA because A dash R dash B. A R B are collinear point. आता these two angles are alternate angles. Therefore PA parallel QB. Therefore segment PA parallel segment QB. Reason alternate angle test. Reason alternate angle test. आणि हे आपलं फर्स्ट आन्सर. नाउ द सेकंड. आता सेकंड आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं दिस ट्रायंगल APR अँड ट्रायंगल RQB हे दोन ट्रायंगल्स आपल्याला सिमिलर प्रूव्ह करायचे आहेत. दिस टू ट्रायंगल्स. फॉर सेकंड इन ट्रायंगल APR and triangle RQB from 1 and 3. See here, PAR congruent PRA and PRA congruent QRB. It means PAR congruent QRB. Angle PAR congruent angle QRB from 1 and 3. From 1 and 3 PAR congruent angle, this angle congruent to this angle. Then from 2 and 3 QBR congruent QRB and PRA congruent QRB. Therefore QBR congruent PRA. Angle QBR congruent angle PRA from 2 and 3. मग आता ह्या दोन्ही ट्रायंगलचे दोन दोन अँगल कॉन्ग्रंट आहेत. देअरफॉर ट्रायंगल APR सिमिलर ट्रायंगल RQB by AA test. Therefore triangle APR similar triangle RQB by AA test. By AA test. आणि हेच आपलं सेकंड आन्सर आहे. हे आपलं सेकंड आन्सर आहे. थर्ड काय करायचं आपल्याला, अँगल RQB फाइंड आउट करायचं आपल्याला. थर्ड मध्ये हा अँगलचं मेजरमेंट काढायचं. त्यासाठी आपल्याला अँगल दिलाय अँगल PAR. अँगल PAR इज इक्वल टू 35 डिग्री गिवन. Therefore from 1 to 3 angle PRA equal to angle QRB equal to angle QBR equal to 35 degree. This is equation number 4. And from 1, 2 and 3. From 1 to 3, these angles are 35 degree. आता in triangle QRB, sum of all angles of triangles are 180 degree. Therefore, angle RQB plus angle QRB plus angle QBR is equal to 180 degree. This angle plus this angle plus this angle, sum of all angles of triangle are 180 degree. Reason sum of all angles of triangle. Angle RQB plus QRB and QBR are 35 degree. 35 degree plus 35 degree is equal to 180 degree. From 4, angle RQB is equal to 35 plus 35, 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle RQB is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. Angle RQB is equal to 110 degree. This is our third answer. या पद्धतीने आपल्याला हे प्रूव्ह करायचं. Solve the fifth problem. In figure, the circles with centers A and B touch each other at point E. Line L is a common tangent which touches the circles at C and D respectively. Find the length of the segment CD if the radii of the circles are 4 cm and 6 cm. आपल्याला दोन सर्कल्स आहेत with center A and center B touch each other externally at point E, and line L is the common tangent of both the circles touching respectively C and D. Now join segment AC and BD. And segment AB. हे जॉइन करायचं and draw perpendicular AM and draw the perpendicular AM on BD. Draw segment AC, segment BD, segment AB and segment AM perpendicular segment BD, and B dash M dash D, BMD are collinear. Here AC perpendicular to line L and BD perpendicular to line L. Reason tangent theorem. Radii of the two circles are 4 and 6 cm. This is 4 cm and this is 6 cm. Here AC equal to AE equal to 4 cm and BE equal to BD equal to 6 cm. Radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. Now angle ACD, here angle ACD is equal to angle BDC equal to 90 degree. Reason tangent theorem. ह्याला 1 नंबर देऊया आपण. इन क्वाड्रिलॅटरल AMDC, इन quadrilateral AMDC, sum of all angles of quadrilateral are 360 degree. Therefore, angle ACD plus angle CDM plus angle AMD plus angle CAM is equal to 360 degree. Means this angle, and this angle and this angle are sum of ACD and BDC means CDM are 90 degree. 90 degree plus 90 degree plus construction here AM perpendicular BD means this angle is also 90 degree plus angle CAM is equal to 360 degree. Therefore 90 plus 90 plus 90 270 degree plus angle CAM is equal to 360 degree. Angle CAM is equal to 360 minus 270. Angle CAM is equal to 90 degree. Here from 1. आता CAM हा अँगल पण 90 झाला. Therefore quadrilateral AMDC RR is a rectangle. Therefore quadrilateral AMDC is a rectangle. हा rectangle prove होईल. मग opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. Therefore AC equal to DM. Therefore AC equal to DM is equal to 4 centimeter and AM is equal to CD. Number 2 and number 3. आता आपल्याला DM माहिती झाला. आता BM काढून घेऊया आपण. Means BD is equal to BM plus DM. Region B dash M dash D. BD आहे 6 is equal to BM फाइंड आउट करायचं आपल्याला plus 4 from 3. BM is equal to 6. हे 4 इकडे घ्या. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. BM आलं 2. आता AB फाइंड आउट करू आपण. AB is equal to AE plus BE. Region A dash E dash B. AB is equal to 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 centimeter. AB is equal to 10 centimeter आहे. आता आपल्याला आता AB माहिती झालं, BM माहिती आहे. Angle AMB is a 90 degree. Therefore by using Pythagoras theorem find AM. Therefore in triangle AMB, angle AMB is equal to 90 degree. आपण construction केले, region construction. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem AB square is equal to BM square plus AM square. AB आहे इथं फाइंड आउट केलं आपण 10 10 स्क्वेअर. BM इथं काढलेला आपण 2. इथं आपण नंबर देऊया 4 and 5. 2 स्क्वेअर प्लस AM स्क्वेअर फ्रॉम 4 and 5. 10 square 100 is equal to 2 square 4 plus AM square. Means AM square is equal to 100 minus 4 is equal to 96. Therefore AM is equal to square root of 96. 96 चे आपल्याला फोड करावी लागेल. 16 into 6. 16 into 6. Square root of 16 4 is equal to, therefore AM is equal to 16 चा square root 4 आणि 6 चा square root 6. AM is equal to 4 root 6. मग आपण हे प्रूव्ह केलं होतं. AM is equal to CD. Reason AM is equal to CD. Therefore AM is equal to 4 root 6. AM is equal to CD का opposite sides of a rectangle. Opposite sides of rectangle. AM is equal to 4 root 6. Therefore CD is equal to 4 root 6. And this is our answer. CD is equal to 4 root 6. Thank you.